I love new shoe smell, but Nike really needs to invest in some like scented insoles if they're gonna keep calling shoes fruit colored names. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today what we have up for unboxing is the Nike Air Vapormax Plus Grape. Now this shoe is going to be part of a 4-shoe collection for the Air Vapormax Plus. The Reverse Sunset that we reviewed previously, as well as this pair, and a couple other pairs like the Black Volt Gray and the Light Mensa pair. Let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard Nike sportswear box. Color code on this shoe is white, fierce purple, but there's also some Aurora green and some black as well. Let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a gradient upper, just like the Reverse Sunset pair, but it's a little bit different. This pair has more of a sunburst type gradient pattern. So you have the Aurora green at the heel, and then further into the upper going towards the toe is fierce purple, and then on the toe is black. The shoe features the Air Max Plus overlay eye stays, and these come in white. Going towards the toe, the little line 3M overlay pattern right there. And as you get to the tongue has actually a gradient tongue. This is a fierce purple, and that's, the Aurora green. The tongue tag is kind of like aqua. This shoe is actually more aqua than grape. I actually don't know why they didn't just go with aqua instead, but it's Nike. Nike swoosh on the vamp is purple, a fierce purple, but the embossed one on the overlay is white. Going back towards the heel tab, you have a barely gray heel tab with the Air Vapormax VM Air logo. And like I said in the last video, this is a nod to the TN Air logo, which was on the Air Max Plus original. The insole on this shoe is black, and it also has the VM Air logo. The midsole is white, but it also has the fierce purple and Aurora green overlays. Just a tiny bit of Aurora green. The toe box is plastic and it's gray. And the shoe sits on a Vapormax outsole. This one is also clear and translucent. And it's got the fierce purple kind of graft in the middle. Like I said before, this shoe really should be called aqua instead of grape. And Nike really can't just slap grape on every purple shoe. Like, just because it's purple doesn't mean it's grape. Like, this is technically also a fierce purple shoe, so you can call it a fierce purple colorway as well, but it's not really grape. Let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you guys after the jump. The Nike Air Vapormax Plus hits select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $190. The shoe is joined by the black and Volt pair in the men's pairs, and for the women's, they have the light Menta and the reverse sunset. But like I said in the reverse sunset review, if you have a size 10.5 or below, you can get you a pair of the reverse sunset as well, because they come in a woman's 12. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. My name is John, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.